If you're a migrating Pacific salmon coming back from the ocean, this is the end of the road for you.
And so this is a big deal when you lose 90% of the fish before they've even hit the ocean.
You just can't separate our culture from the salmon.
I do believe that it is the largest dam removal in the country and potentially anywhere in the world.
There's a lot to learn, especially about how rivers undergo change with sediment and nutrient pulses coming downstream.
We estimate that there's somewhere on the order of about 20 million cubic yards of sediment that has built up.
Those water quality changes impact aquatic plants and algae, and those are important because they impact things we care about, like fish or fishing.
And are we still going to have some disease years? Sure, but they're not going to be as frequent. They're not going to be as severe.
You can't hurt the environment without hurting Indigenous peoples. And when you hurt Indigenous peoples, you hurt the environment as well. And yet to see this thing we were told was never going to happen actually be done is so inspiring to me when it comes to all these other climate change issues.
Rivers are really important for people, for our mental health, for social connections, and I want people to be confident and comfortable getting back in the Klamath River again.
It's a real honor for us to be standing on the shoulders of our tribal partners who have been at this important work for so long.
The Indigenous peoples that in this basin have been divided for so long.
Which puts the Klamath River back into its historical channel for the first time in over 100 years.
People say, well, what does this moment represent? It represents the future.